So let's say you want to create something like a year-long calendar, and you want to work with multiple months. So in order to do that, you got this month right here. Let me just drag this on over here onto the center, and let's say I want to create a calendar for 2020. So in order to do that, I'm gonna set the year as 2020, and I'm going to set my month as January right here. So the beginning week would be Sunday, and over here I'm going to shade the weekends, and I'm going to press OK. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to work with the design right here so that I can select the theme that I want. Let's say if I want a different design, so let me just go for the design that I want to apply. So let's say I want this type of a design right here, all the shaded, quite interesting design. So you want to create a different color scheme according to what you want. So let's say I want to choose something like a dark color scheme itself, right? So something like this. All right, so once I do that, what I want to do is now I want to create calendar for February, March, April, and so forth. In order to do that, here I have my page. I'm just going to rename this to Jan right here, and I'm going to simply duplicate this now. So I'm going to duplicate, and you can see that the same page appears, and this is going to be February, for example. So now instead of creating a calendar again, I can simply select this Jan right here. I can go to the calendar settings, I can go to configure, or alternatively I can right click over here and go to configure as well. Here you can see January, simply turn this into February and press OK, and there you go, that's the February right here. So I'm going to duplicate this, and this is going to be March. Duplicate this, this is going to be April. Duplicate this, May. Duplicate this, this is going to be June. Duplicate this, July. Duplicate this, August. Duplicate September. Duplicate October, and duplicate December. So I got all the months right here. So I got Jan, I got Feb, and in March I'm just going to go over here, configure. This is going to be March right here. Press OK, and there you go, there's the March calendar. April, over here, configure. April, press OK, there you go, April. May, configure, select the shape, configure, May, OK, and that's the May calendar. June, configure, let's go for June, OK, that's it, June. July, configure, let's go for July, OK. August, click, configure, let's go for August, press OK, there you go, August. September, configure, September, OK, and October, configure, every October, right? Seems like I missed out November right here, so duplicate this out. I'm going to change this into November, and this one would be December. So we're gonna go over here like this, go for November, okay, change to November. December, configure, let's go to December, press OK, and there you go, December right here. So you got from January to December right here, and you can see that everything changes just like that. All the dates and everything is there, and the overall theme has been maintained as well. So that is how you can create multiple months and maintain visual consistency inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.